Never did I ever think that Kiss Colors and Care would have my hair feeling like this. Now let's get straight into this review because girl! So this is me fresh out of the shower after washing my hair with Kiss Colors and Care Argan and Macadamia for dry and damaged natural hair, the shampoo and the conditioner, which I got from CultureCon for the free. Before the wash, I had a hot oil treatment with the almond and jasmine oil. Before we jump into how much I love the shampoo and conditioner, let me let you know how I sealed in the moisture. Okay, hunty, I went in with the leave-in conditioner by Miel Organics and the Oh My Goddess moisturizer from Belleza Natural. So I was thoroughly impressed by Kiss Colors and Care Argan and Macadamia for dry and damaged natural hair shampoo and conditioner. For one, it did not leave my hair crispy. Like while I wash my hair with other drugstore brands or like something like Main Choice or Shea Moisture, as I'm washing my hair, it feels like it's drying and it's the most uncomfortable and annoying sensation ever. By the way, this was in the swag bag from CultureCon as well. As someone who is incredibly comfortable with silicones coating their hair, brands like Main Choice make me feel uncomfortable because I don't have that slippage and that sleek feeling. Whereas with the Kiss Color and Care Macadamia and Argan Oil shampoo, I had that slip. I had that soft touch, like soft to the touch feel as I'm shampooing. I didn't have to worry that, okay, my conditioner is going to be what restores the moisture in my hair. I also want to add that this has no sodium chloride, no paraffins, no parabens, no synthetic colors, no mineral oil, no phthalates, and it's sulfate-free. I'm just showing you the breakage I got this time around, which is pretty minimum compared to last week. Now here's last week. Yeah. What the... But your girl's getting it together, and that's all that matters. Kiss Color and Care claims that the macadamia and argan oil are known for their moisturizing and fortifying properties, and I will have to freaking agree. Like I said, as I was washing my hair, I was impressed because it wasn't dry. And I know there's other naturals out there that get what I'm saying. When you go in and you shampoo your hair and it just feels dry to the touch as soon as you start shampooing it. The packaging also claims that the lightweight and non-greasy formula strengthens the hair structure, restores shines and softness, reduces frizz, and leaves hair silky. I definitely agree that it is non-greasy, my hair feels soft, it feels lightweight to the touch, and I actually want to discover what else is within this line because I saw that they have masks, they have edge control. So give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you'd like to see more from this line, if you'd like for me to be your guinea pig, and leave a comment for any other natural product that you'd like for me to be a guinea pig on, because I'm going through the guinea pig process in my natural journey all over again, and I don't mind being your guinea pig girl. So comment down below, let me know, and I shall see you in the next one. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, okay, bye.